When you search for gas cooktops with downdraft, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, GASLAND 30-inch cooktop. First up is the GASLAND 30-inch cooktop. Priced at $349.99, this one caught my eye with its sleek stainless steel design and 4 powerful SABF burners. If you want reliable performance in a compact size, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. This variety means you can easily go from a gentle simmer to a hot sauté without any fuss. Plus, the heavy-duty cast iron grates provide stability so your pans won't tip over while cooking. Now, some folks mention that the controls can get a bit hot during use. Here's the thing though, as long as you're cautious and use pot holders, it's really not a deal breaker, just something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you're in a smaller kitchen looking for power and efficiency. Skip this one if you need a wider cooktop for bigger pots or multiple dishes at once. It offers great value for money, especially for its features. Product number 2, GASLAND 36-inch cooktop. Next is the GASLAND 36-inch cooktop priced at $569.99. With 5 burners and a reversible cast iron griddle, this one really stood out to me. If you want versatility in your cooking, this is definitely worth a look. Let me explain why it's a good choice for you. The included griddle lets you cook pancakes on one side and sear meats on the other, making it an all-in-one option for family breakfasts or dinners. And with sealed burners, you won't have to worry about spills making a mess inside the cooktop. However, some users mentioned that the installation instructions could be clearer. Now, I get that this can be frustrating, but once you get past that, the performance really shines through. This is ideal for someone who cooks a lot and wants the flexibility of a griddle. Skip it if you're looking for something compact or just need a basic cooktop. The price reflects its features, making it a solid investment for any kitchen. Product number 3, Thermomate 36-inch cooktop. Coming in at $469.99, we have the Thermomate Heavy 36-inch cooktop. Right off the bat, I love the heavy-duty construction and the 5 powerful Italy SABF burners. If you need something that can handle heavy use, this might be the answer. So why does this matter for you? Each burner is designed to distribute heat evenly, which is essential for consistent cooking. Plus, the stainless steel surface is a breeze to clean, and the sealed burners keep spills contained, which is a major plus. Some reviewers pointed out that it can take a little longer to ignite than expected. I'll be honest, that can be annoying, but considering the power you get, it's really a small price to pay for the performance. This is perfect for serious cooks looking for durability and performance. Skip it if you're after something simpler or if you don't have the space for a 36-inch model. It's a good value for the features you're getting. Product number 4, Thermomate 30-inch cooktop. Next up is the Thermomate Heavy 30-inch cooktop at $429.99. This product had my attention with its compact design and solid features. If you're after a reliable cooktop that doesn't take up too much space, you should definitely consider this. What makes this cooktop stand out? Each burner is designed for efficiency, distributing heat evenly, which is critical for those complex recipes. Plus, it's easy to clean thanks to its stainless steel surface and removable grates. However, some users did mention the ignition system can be a bit finicky at times. I get why that could be frustrating, but in my experience, this typically improves with regular use and maintenance. This is great for anyone who wants a powerful yet compact cooktop. Skip it if you only need a single burner or if space isn't a concern. It's a solid investment for the performance it offers. Product number 5, Delikit 34-inch gas cooktop. Finally, we have the Delikit 34-inch gas cooktop at just $235.99. This caught my eye with its budget-friendly price and decent reviews. If you're looking to save some money without compromising on quality, this is worth checking out. This cooktop offers 5 burners of varying sizes, including a powerful 11,262 BTU burner. The stainless steel panel is easy to clean, and the cast iron grates add stability for heavy cookware. On the downside, some users noted that it doesn't come with a wok stand like some competitors. Honestly, if you're not planning to cook with a wok often, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for families or those on a budget looking for a reliable cooktop. Skip it if you need high-end features or if you often cook large meals. It's a great value for what you get. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 great gas cooktops with Downdraft. The GASLAND 30 and 36-inch models offer compact power for smaller kitchens, while the Thermomate options provide heavy-duty performance. Lastly, the Deli Kit is perfect for budget-conscious cooks. Each has its unique strengths, so choose the one that fits your cooking style best.